Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ASUS Zenfone 9. You need to start by opening Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. From here you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Receive on ASUS and Send on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go into Photos, click on only one, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on ASUS, choose No Thanks or Yes I Agree and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on this Receive button, or we can scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, you need to click on this scanning icon on ASUS, choose while using the upper only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. Then, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!